In this video, we'll teach you how to transfer XRP from Binance to Ledger Nano S Plus. So first thing we need to do is get the XRP wallet address from Ledger Nano S Plus. So what you need before starting? You need to have Ledger Nano S Plus set up with XRP app installed. You also need to have Binance account with XRP balance, and also you need to have Ledger Live app installed on your computer or mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to connect your Ledger Nano S Plus to your computer, then open Ledger Live and make sure that XRP app is installed on your Ledger device. So to check this, you need to go to the My Ledger tab in the Ledger Live. Let's go on the second step. You need to get your XRP receive address. In the Ledger Live, go to the accounts, then click add account. If you have not added XRP yet, select XRP and follow the steps to add the account. After adding, go to your XRP account in Ledger Live and click receive. Verify the address on your Ledger screen and copy it. So there will be your XRP wallet address. You need to copy this wallet address and then you can go to the Binance and send your XRP to your Ledger Live Plus account. So if you have got your XRP wallet address, you can go to the Binance. Then you need to go to your spot account where you have available XRP balance. And right here, you need to find the XRP. If you can't find it easily, you can use the search right here. And on the right side, you will see these three dots. You need to hover over it and go to the withdraw section right here. Then you need to enter XRP wallet address. You just copy it from the Ledger Nano S Plus account. You need to also select the network. In this case, select XRP network, and you also need to enter the memo. So copy the memo and enter it right here, and then choose the amount you're withdrawing from Binance and finalize the transaction. Usually, guys, XRP transfers are very fast and it takes maximum 1 or 2 minutes. So in 5 minutes, you can check your balance and you will receive your XRP on your Ledger Nano S Plus. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.